Hi, this is James Fletcher. I have chosen to do the second question of Hr3, which is, why are organelles essential for the life of a cell to continue its life? In my opinion, every organelle has its own job. Therefore, it has its job that keeps it going, keeps the cell alive. For example, the nucleus is basically the main command center of the cell. It controls all the activities that happen within the cell, like what all the other cell parts do, like the mitochondria, the ribosomes, the cell membrane. But each of those individual parts has their own duty themselves. Like the mitochondria, it produces energy for the cell, so it has that energy to keep going. And the cytoplasm is where the gooey-like substance where all the chemical reactions are. Other parts like the cell wall control, it just protects the wall, protects the cell, and that's only in a plant cell. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. Also, a chromatin is where the DNA of the cell is, which relates to the genetic code of it. The Golgi body sorts out the molecules, which is also very important to the cell, so it keeps organized. The ribosomes, they synthesize proteins to keep the cell active and healthy. Also things like the endoplasmic reticulum, it's also used for synthesis. Like I said, cytoplasm, it's for chemical reactions. Cell membrane contracts the cell. The lysosomes digest and recycles used cell components, which is basically removing waste. And yeah, that's basically it. That's why, and all of those things combined runs the way the cell acts and its daily functions. And without one of these components, the cell would have several issues. Like without a nucleus, it would obviously, nothing would happen in it and it would just die off. Without the cell membrane or cell wall, it would not be protected and random things would just enter it and that would eventually kill it, which would create viruses, which would kill it. Therefore, every part of the cell, all the organelles have a specific job that they have to do, and that is basically my video. Thanks.